You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and the topic that I want to consider today is statistics, and under it the subtopic will be median. Median is the middle value when all numbers are arranged in order of size, and you can arrange it either in ascending or descending order. And after arranging these numbers, if you have two numbers in the middle, then the next step to take is to calculate the mean of those two numbers. Let's solve these examples on the board. Find the median of number 1. We have 3, 1, 6, 4, 2, 5, 5. So let's arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. That means from smallest to the biggest. So by the time we arrange from smallest to the biggest, the smallest number there will come first. So that means we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. So if you look at it critically, we have 7 numbers here. So by the time we divide it into 2 groups, we have 4 in the middle. Therefore, median is equals to 4. Let's solve the second question where we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 8, and 7. So let's arrange this question 2 in descending order. You know, I told you earlier that you can arrange either in ascending or descending order. Descending order means from biggest to the smallest. So we are going to have 8 followed by 7 followed by 5 followed by 4 followed by 3 followed by 3 followed by 2 followed by 1. And we have 8 digits here. By the time we divide it into 2 groups, so there is no any number in the middle. And don't forget that you are told here that if there are 2 middle numbers, the median is the mean of the 2 numbers. So we are going to circle the last digit here and the first digit here. So we are going to calculate the median, which will be the mean of this. So we are going to have 4 plus 3 over 2, which will give us 7 over 2, and our answer will be 3.5. If you don't understand the concept of mean here, I will encourage you to watch my previous video on mean. And I want to encourage you to find the median of these numbers and put your answer in the comment section. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, all you need to do is to locate the subscription button, subscribe so that you'll be updated anytime that we upload new video. Thank you.